How to run Google Ads. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to ads.google.com. Here, you want to click on the sign in option. Once you click on the sign in option, if you do not have an account, you can simply click on the start now option. Once you click on it, you will have to follow the on-screen prompts in order to create a Google Ads account. For that, you will have to provide your business information and payment details. Once you have entered all the details, you will have to define your campaign goals. Google will recommend campaign types based on your goals. These could be increasing website traffic, generating leads, boosting sales online, or raising brand awareness. Once you have selected your campaign goal, next thing you want to do is create your ad. Add your campaign assets and preview your keywords, images, logos, and videos in different ad formats. Then you want to choose your target audience and budget. Google will use it as a starting point to recommend keywords and expand your reach. Next, you want to finalize and launch your campaign. Confirm your payment details and submit your campaign to go live. If you're optimizing for online conversions, be sure to set up conversion tracking before you decide to go. And in this way, you can run Google Ads. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.